Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut on your Mac. I'll go ahead and move some app shortcuts right onto the desktop for quick access. First, open up your Applications folder. If you're running a different version of macOS than I am, simply open Finder, go to the Go menu, and select Applications. From here, just drag and drop the apps you want onto your desktop. You'll see the apps are now on the desktop. However, with macOS 26 Tahoe, when you drag them out like this, the app icon might disappear. To fix this and bring the icon back, right-click on that shortcut and select Get Info. Right here, you'll see the app icon at the very top of the Get Info window is missing. What you need to do is grab the icon from the preview section at the bottom and drag it all the way up to the top icon slot. When you see a green plus sign appear, just let go of the mouse. And just like that, the icon is back. Go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of your shortcuts. Now you can select them and move them around to organize your desktop however you like. If you don't want them anymore, you can just delete them. This only deletes the shortcut, not the actual application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.